Scott County health officials are teaming up to fight a potentially deadly problem, and they want your help.
They're trying to reach families who may have children with lead poisoning. That is tonight's top story. Local 4 News dug into some of those records. In November, nurses handled 43 cases in their childhood lead poisoning prevention program. The county is working with 2 community health care clinics to get more kids tested. They have given 53 lead tests between September and October of this year. That's compared to just 17 tests during the same time last year. Local 4's Tahera Rahman joins us in our studio with why they're saying those tests might not be enough. Tahera?
Jim, Tiffany, although Scott County health officials have tripled the number of lead tests they've given over the last year, they still say there are dozens of families who need it and may not know. That was the case for one Davenport mom that I spoke with tonight.
This little girl is turning 2.
Oh, goodness.
She loves Mickey Mouse, the TV show Puppy Dog Pals, and running. Lots of running. But mom Jessica Corbusier says she's noticed other things too.
She is a hitter and a thrower. I just assumed, all kids go through the biting stage, all kids go through a hitting stage.
But about a year ago, Corbusier found out it might not be normal.
We went in and they did a finger prick to test all her levels.
A 1-year checkup revealed a lead level of 14. The CDC put safe levels at below 5.
I would have never known if they wouldn't have done her blood draw.
Public health nurse Sue Vandiwally says that lack of awareness is all too common.
Lead poisoning is something that needs to be monitored. I don't think there's a whole lot of importance put on it.
She says less than 50% of the kids they need to reach have actually been tested for lead.
There's a lot of kids out there that we haven't reached, or we may not reach them until they meet their requirement for kindergarten at age 6. And as great as that is, we need them at age 2 and 3.
And she's encouraging more parents to go in for screenings.
You are their lifeline between, home and the physician or the resources that they need.
Corbusier has worked with the health department to pinpoint lead around her home.
The front porch was the main part because she spent a lot of time outside on the front porch. We completely got rid of the back porch.
And says she's relieved to have the problem under control before her baby boy makes his way home.
As soon as we found out what we needed to do, we did it because, it's my baby.
Corbusier says after containing the lead in her home, her daughter's lead level is down to 13. Her next checkup is in February. In the studio, Tahera Rahman, Local 4 News.
Tahera, thank you. Scott County's childhood lead poisoning prevention program offers medical help as well as inspections. You can stop by a walk-in clinic on West 4th Street in Davenport. It's available on Wednesdays between 8 in the morning and 5 in the evening, and Thursday mornings from 8:15 to 11:30. Lead screenings are free for kids up to 6 years old. You can also call to make an appointment. We have all that information for you at ourquadcities.com.